Hello Malangs! Today we're gonna make JjamPpong. Traditionally, JjamPpong is made with a lot of seafood such as squid, some shellfishes, even fish sometimes. But today we're gonna make beef jjamppong. Beef jjamppong is more savory than seafood version for sure, and also that heavy umami fat flavor in it, so it's just like so perfect for the winter. I mean, winter is almost done, but still cold outside, right? If you don't have a napa cabbage, that's totally fine. You can use just a regular western cabbage. It works fine as well. At the end of the day, like I always say, what kind of vegetable you want to put in the soup, go for it. We're gonna use the inside skirt. This part has a lots of that hard fat in it, which will gonna help us develop the flavor. And I'm gonna use ribeye as well, so I can actually eat more meat on it. But you don't have to use a ribeye if you don't have one. We're gonna start searing inside skirt first to render the fat out, and then we're gonna add the ribeye. One thing you wanna make sure is that you don't wanna overcook or cook it all the way through while you're doing this, because the meat will gonna be melt away during the process if you fully cook before you add the water on it. So keep that in mind. As always, I love garlic, so I'm gonna put more than what usual people do. And then make sure you always taste your food while you're cooking. At the end of the day, you might want more salty or even sweet, right? We all have our preferences. If you don't have a dashida, like I said always, you don't have to put for it. If you want to make it more spicier, you can put more red chili in it as well. Once we put all the vegetables in there, and we're gonna keep stirring until the vegetables are softened, and then we're gonna add some water, just good enough to top it off. And then we're gonna bring it to the boil, adjust seasoning by using soy sauce. And for the noodles, we're gonna use the same one we use it for the jjajangmyeon. If you have any different type of noodle, it still works. Just one thing, when you are boiling noodles in the pot, sometimes you have to add the cold water so it's not overflowing. We're gonna wash the noodle with the cold water. And then we're gonna quickly warm the noodles up and take it out right away. Thanks for watching today, and set up alarm for my new videos. And don't forget, subscribe and like please. Bye.